So now we're going to do the Afrikaans language, the Lord's Prayer, learned step by step, and we'll go through and play the game. First, you see this is the Afrikaans homepage, and we have here instruction games, skill games, ability test, study, and other things that you can get into that could help you, that are interesting for anyone that's trying to refresh Afrikaans or learn from new or help others to learn, help children to learn, etc. It would be helpful. So, but let's go through learn the Lord's Prayer in Afrikaans. Let's go here to instruction games. Okay. From there, we're going to scroll to cultural aspects. And then we will find the Lord's Prayer. Alright, so inside of here there's different types of instruction games that you could play regarding the Lord's Prayer and related to, or something that will help you to practice. We're going to pick the first one, learn step by step. Alright, so here we have the Lord's Prayer in Afrikaans, Onze Vader. So Onze Vader. Yeah, so we're going to read through this and then go and take the learn step by step game, because we're basically at this point we're relying on the game to help us to learn the words. At this point we're not thinking about accent. The way I say it is I'm not saying it like a native potentially. But in the situation, whoever's watching this or you're interested in practicing or learning or teaching someone else, the point of this game is to help you to gain the words, so we know the phrases, so we know the Lord's Prayer, whichever situation we're in, and then the people around you and what you're hearing and that accent and things will come out of your own personality. All right, so it's really up to each individual. From here I'm going to read it the way I see it at the moment, which may not be 100% correct, but we'll play the game just to get familiar with the Lord's Prayer. So, Onze Vader, wat in die hemel is, laat uw naam geheiligd worden, laat uw koninkrijk kom, laat uw wil geschieden, zoals in die hemel, net zo ook op die aarde. Zie ons vandaag ons dagelijks brood en vergeef ons onze schulden, zoals ons ook onze schuldenaars vergeven. En leid ons niet in verzoeking neer, maar verlos ons van die boze. Through Christ Jesus our Lord, want aan u behoort die koninkrijk, dat is koninkrijk of koninkrijk, in die kracht, in die eerlijkheid, tot in eeuwigheid. Eeuwigheid. Amen. Alright. You can see I'm sounding it out the way I may not be right for some of it, but don't listen. The point of this is, and we just try to get what we can see in it, and then later you can be correct. Alright, so let's go ahead and do practice. Oh, before we start the practice, let me just draw your attention down here, sorry, to the quick list on Ebnemar. If you go to there, there will be, should be, videos available. Let's see. I don't see it here, but in some, or YouTube, you can go and pick out some videos of Zionzi Vader in Afrikaans, so you can actually hear the accent and practice it. Okay? So let's go ahead. Let's start. Zionzi Vader. Alright, so the first one here is just matching one for one. So we have, one word we match to a different word, the same word or same meaning. And below we have flashcards that we can use to help us. For me, I like to try to do this without the flashcards to challenge myself, and then only if I really need it, I would use it. But you may choose, you can do exactly what we're doing now. You may choose to use the flashcards to help you get through it, and each one's learning style is different. There is no right or wrong. Whatever works best for you, I recommend. Okay, so let's go. I see want, and nie, nie, an, kom, eerlijkheid, als ik die eerlijkheid, here it is. Z, G, I think this is G, GT, gehelig, Himmel is, okay, so, Vader, Bos, behoort, see, I'm doing all the words first because it's just a one-for-one match. It's probably easier, and then I'll try to match some of the phrases. The Lord's Prayer, Zionzi Vader. Okay, so now we have Marvelos ons van si bos. Our Father who art in heaven, onze Vader, wat in die Himmel is. Okay. Alright, we have two left. In vergeef ons schulden. Schulden, that's your trespasses, I guess. Sus ons schuldenaars vergewe. Okay. Want aan u behoort die koninkrijk. Okay. We don't have to remember it. I'm trying to memorize it now, just get through the problem. Okay, so we got through that one. Starting with this, now we pick it. Okay, want aan. This is learned step by step, so it's taking us to behoort. G is taking us through at a good pace. For thine is the kingdom, the power, want aan u behoort zie koninkrijk. It might be koninkrijk. Tot in tot, in eeuwigheid. Let's see. Amen. Onze Vader, wie in die Himmel is. Vader, wat, Himmel. Laat mijn name, something like that. Want, laat een naam, was it? Okay, so now, see, here we go. We have to pick in the question mark, match it to what we see, where it's available. So then I remember we have the flashcards beneath. I'm going to try to do this without the flashcard. Let's see, I don't know if I remember that though. Vergif ons in onskulda. I read it before, it sounded like I was getting it, but in onskulda. Zoals ons ook schuldenaars. Wow, I can't remember that at all. Ons. I remember that. Ons. In vergif ons. Vergive, maybe, and forgive. And vergive. Hold on, let me pick this. Oh, yeah. Okay, now here. And vergive. I just guessed that because forgive sounds okay. In vergive ons skulda. Us, our. Ons skulda. Zoals ons ook. Vergive. Is it vergis? Is it vergewa? Ons ook vergewa. Vergive. Oh, no. Ons ook. Neither one of those worked. Ons, as we forgive, ons ook schuldenaars. Ons ook. Soos ons ook. I don't know. Vergewa. So ons, hold on. In vergive ons, we're gonna finish up soon. This is unlimited time, but I see. Let's see if we can figure that one out without using the flashcards. In vergive ons schulden, zoals ons ook. We use in schuldenaars. No. Ons vergive ons schulden. Zoals ons ook. Ook schuldenaars ons ook ons there you go, starting with skulda. Zoals laat uw koninkrijk komen. Laat, ook. Want en lei ons niet in verzoeken niet. This is interesting. Let's see. Want aan u behoort die koninkrijk in ze kraag en ze herlikheid tot in eeuwigheid. Vandaag. Alright, I'll do these three and then. Oh, I just clicked that. I didn't think about starting with this. Okay, brood. Sounds like bread. Brood. But deliver us from the evil one. Maar reddelus onvan zibose. Ge ons vandaag ondagliks brood. This has gotta be this one. Reddelus. Alright, I'm gonna stop there. We can keep going, and it will give us deeper and deeper into. We can try again, or we can go and try other skill games or test if we think we know it, or we can study and review. Alright, so alright, that's it. Talk to you later. Bye bye.